Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to enable Clipboard on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, the Clipboard streamlines workflow by allowing you to quickly copy and paste information without retyping or re-downloading it. This saves time and effort, especially when working with large amounts of text or data. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. First, display your keyboard, and then click the three dots at the top of the keyboard. So after that, find the Clipboard feature here and click to open. And please note that this feature has been active from the start, so you no longer need to activate this feature to use it. However, if you want to move this icon to the top of the keyboard for convenience, then press and hold like this, and then move it slowly. Well, that's the tutorial on how to enable Clipboard on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.